In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT with Zapier. Whether you're new to automation or a seasoned pro, this process is straightforward and can unlock a world of possibilities for integrating AI into your workflows. Zapier seamlessly connects with thousands of apps, making it as simple to link ChatGPT as it is with any other app on the platform. To begin, ensure that you are logged into your Zapier account. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar, where you'll find the option labeled App Connections. Click on it. This section is essentially the hub of all the applications you've already linked to Zapier, so it's worth familiarizing yourself with it if you haven't done so already. It'll help you manage your integrations easily and keep track of everything at a glance. Now, if you cast your eyes to the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice a button that says Add Connection. Go ahead and click this button. Doing so opens up a search bar for you to locate the application you wish to connect. In this case, type in ChatGPT and hit Enter. Once you see ChatGPT appear in the list below, select it. At this point, you'll need to either create or connect an API key. Don't worry if you're not familiar with API keys. They're simply a secure way to let Zapier communicate with ChatGPT. Look for the option to create an API key and give it a click. You'll then be guided to another screen where, in the top right corner, there's a button that says Create New Secret Key. Click on this to generate a new key. You'll have the opportunity to tailor the settings and details of your key according to your preferences. Once you're satisfied with your configurations, click on Create Key. The system will generate your API key right there. Be sure to copy this key, as you'll need it to complete the connection process. Always handle it with care, keeping it secure, and never sharing it unnecessarily. With your API key copied, go back to the sign-in details on Zapier and paste it in the appropriate field. This action essentially links and authenticates ChatGPT with your Zapier account. After you've pasted the key, you can finalize the process by signing in and filling out any remaining details required to complete the connection. And there you have it. Congratulations! You have successfully connected ChatGPT OpenAI to your Zapier account. You've now opened the door to automating tasks using ChatGPT in your various workflows. From here on out, the opportunities to streamline your operations with a blend of AI and automation are vast, allowing you more time and energy to focus on the creative parts of your projects.